Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you this amazing and phenomenal garlic chicken recipe you'll love. Let's jump right in. So we're going to take 300 grams of boneless chicken and you should cut them into bite-sized pieces. We're going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of salt, or according to your taste. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, and we're gonna mix well. And now to it, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of corn flour, and I'm gonna combine well. Now I've got 3 tablespoons of cooking oil inside a cooking pan. You may wish to deep fry the chicken, but I prefer it this way. I'm gonna place the chicken inside the cooking pan. I'm gonna cook for 3 minutes or until light to golden brown, and then I'm going to flip. And now I'm gonna cook for another 2 minutes or until golden brown, and I'm gonna set them aside. In a bowl, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 200 milliliters of water, and I'm gonna mix well. Now I'm gonna add 1.5 teaspoons of chopped garlic. I'm gonna saute it. I'm gonna pour the mixture. Then I'm gonna let it simmer for 2 minutes. So to it, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of corn flour and 1/4 cup of water. I'm gonna mix this well and add gradually if I need to make my sauce more thick. I'm gonna cook for 1 minute, and I'm gonna add the cooked chicken. And now I'm gonna cook again until the sauce gets thick. I'm gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and I'm gonna mix well again. And now I'm gonna garnish with chopped spring onions. So there you have it, a delicious and easy garlic chicken recipe which you can eat with probably boiled rice or maybe just on its own. So I really hope you like this recipe. If you did, please like, subscribe and share. Until next time, bye!